Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to be doing this look that you can see. I skipped out most of the face so that this video is a bit faster, but I've linked below the last video that I did, which does the foundation and contouring in the same way, so you can check that out. I felt like doing a little bit more it's my version of simple on my eyes, and then of course I got to eyeliner and it went a little harder, and then I felt like a red lip, so this is where we ended up. But as you can see, I'll come closer and show you above the eyes. So it's a kind of golden look on the eyes. It's nothing too much. You do it without the wing, to be honest, and it would be a lot less. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's jump right in. I'm going to start transitioning with the shade Penelope and this Morphe M513 brush, using my Sportsgirl Pretty as a Peach palette. I'm now going to tap into the colour Peggy using the same brush and do the same thing, not quite going as high. It's lighter than I thought, so I'm going to grab some of Pearl. I'm going to go in with a brush that's thinner on the side, if you can see that, so it's flat there, thinner there. So we have our 227 brush, and I'm going to grab the colour Pia. So grabbing a flat brush, I'm going to grab the colour Portia. I feel like this look looks a little bit of pizzazz, so I'm going to take a little bit of red ochre from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and take this brush here again. I'm going to continue now with the colour Portia, which was the light colour, and I'm going to put some Fix Plus now to make it really pop. So you can see there the difference that the Fix Plus makes with Fix Plus, without Fix Plus. Ugh, I don't know why that's such a tongue twister for me. So without any more product, I'm going back to the brush that I did the darkest part of the crease with, and I'm just going to go over that. I don't know if I said no more product, but there's no more product on here. I'm just literally blending the line out so it's not so sharp. Now grabbing another flat brush, I'm gonna try use the color Pia, which is that one there, and see if it's dark enough and if that works. And I am using a little bit of Fix Plus. Oh my god, Fix Plus. Fix Plus. I'm using Fix Plus. I'm just using that brush with the light colour. I think I went a little bit far in. I'm just slowly blending the two till I'm happy. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've removed the excess makeup here and underneath my eye. So now I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner, and I'm going to do a wing. Alright, so as you can see, I've gone off camera, I've done both eyes, and I've like destroyed my face. Surprisingly, I haven't had a meltdown, so that's good news. But we're gonna fix this now. So I've just got a flat brush. No, it doesn't want to focus. Anyway, you can see it's a flat brush. And I'm just gonna grab my paint pot because I feel like that's, I don't know, I'm gonna do that and then concealer on top, not just concealer, because I feel like this is really harsh. Like paint pot's like strong. I'm just gonna put it wherever there's like too much happening. So it's like long, so you can dab it. You don't have to like fully wipe it, which means you can have a nice straight line. This is literally as good as it's gonna get. It's a low standard of living, but it's still a standard nonetheless. So I'm gonna go put my face on, and by face I mean my foundation, primer, concealer, contouring, all of that. I'm gonna do it off camera basically because my last video, I'll link it below, I literally did exactly what I'm about to do now. So you can go watch that one for the face if you like, but to save yourselves watching the same thing if you already have, I'm just gonna skip right ahead. Okay, so my foundation and contouring is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and do some blush. So I'm gonna use my Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso. Just use an angled brush. Oh, I should hit up the blush today. I feel like a little clown-like, but that's okay. Maybe that's the look I was going for. I'm going to use my new LUA lashes, and they are in the style Candice. They're a nice long wispy lash. I've never actually used them before, so I'm super excited to use them. The only downside about using new lashes is I have to cut them. Ugh, it's the pain of my life. But I'll get a beautiful new set on my face, so I'm really excited. I didn't go for something as heavy as I've been recently going for. Well, everything's quite heavy here, and I just wanted the brown to show through, but then, you know, I hit the eyeliner and went a little more intense than suspected. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put these on, and I'm gonna come back so we can finish off my eyes. So I'm gonna grab Penelope again, which is what I originally used to transition with, and just go under the eye with that one. And then I'm gonna grab a bit of Pearle, which we also used as transition. And I'm just grabbing a small brush and using Pia, which is the darkest color we've used. I'm going to keep that just on the outer corner for now. And then just the excess, just lightly on the inside of the eye. So I'm going to do mascara on the bottom lashes as well. And I'm just going to add a bit of sparkle to my eye with my NYX lip liner in Vanilla Sky. Before I forget, I'm going to add some glow using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter and just a flat brush. And just to be clear as well, there is no Fix Plus on my brush. It is literally this blinding on its own. I think today I'm going to put a little bit on my cheek as well. So just using my Morphe R36 brush. I took a red lips today, but I don't know if I regret that. But anyway, rolling with it, I'm using another NYX lip liner, and this time it is in the color Sienna. So I'm going to use this red lipstick, which I don't even know what this is. It's really old. Mum gave it to me, I feel like 10 years ago. But anyway, that's the color, so I'm just going to put that on. Now I'm just going to grab the liner and drag it over a bit. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and put the top on I'm wearing tonight, put some jewelry on, did my hair, and I've also, what did I do? I bronzed it up here, and I put a little bit of, oh my god, why are words escaping me today? This highlight. Highlight here, and then also put a little bit more thicker bronzer here to make me pop. Anyhow, so let's set this, which we should have done probably like a while ago. So using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So this is the final look. If you like this, of course, as always, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye!